For the function fx equals to fourth root of 5x minus 4, we have to find out the value of f of 4 and f of minus 12. So first here is f of x equals to fourth root of 5x minus 4. So we have to put the value. Here is first 4, then fourth root 5 times 4 minus 4, then 4, 5 times 4 is a 20 minus 4. Now fourth root 20 minus 4 is a 16. So this 16 we can write 2 to the power 4, and against fourth root we can write 1 by 4. So 4 divide 4, it will be 1. Our answer is 2. Very simple. Now number B. Number B, f of minus 12. Again fourth root, then 5x minus 4, right? 5x minus 4, then fourth root 5 times minus 4 minus 12 minus 4, fourth root minus 12 times 5, it will be minus 60, and here is a minus 4. Now it's a fourth root, here is minus 64. Now we have to stop in here because here is a minus 64 of fourth root. Since the fourth root of a negative number is not a real number, the function does not have a value at x equals to minus 12. Okay, so this case number A, it means f of x fourth root of 5x minus 4. Once we put the value of 4, we will get the value 2. But in this case, f of minus 12 has not any real number. It's a fourth root of a negative number, so we will not get any real number. That's why the function does not have a value at x minus 12. So I hope you understand. If you have any question, please write a line in the comment section. Thank you.